Hi everyone, so today we're gonna look at how to solve system of equation by elimination method. So the idea is to somehow eliminate one of the variables. So if you look at this example here that I have, if I'm gonna add these two equations, one of the variables is gonna eliminate, because here we have as a coefficient of 1 and a negative 1. So, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to add this together. So we're going to have 2 plus 1 gives you 3x. 1y minus 1y is going to eliminate. And then I have 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. We're going to divide each side by 3. So if we do that, we're going to end up with x is equal to 2. Now we have to go back and plug in this x value into one of the equations and find the value of y. It doesn't matter which equation you choose, you will end up with the same answer. So I'm going to pick the first equation, 2x plus 1y is equal to 4. The reason I picked this equation is because we have a positive 1y, so I'm trying to save a step. So let's go ahead and plug in. I have 2 times 2 plus 1y, or just y, is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4, plus y is equal to 4. We're going to subtract 4 from each side. So we're going to get a 0 plus y, or just y, is equal to 0. So the solution to this system of equation is going to be 2 comma 0. Now we're going to move on and do something more challenging. So we're going to solve the system of equation by elimination. So we want to eliminate one of the variables. What I usually do is eliminate, I eliminate the x variable. So to eliminate the x variable, I need to have the same number in front of x, but with opposite sign. So what I usually do, I multiply the first equation by 2. I got the 2 from here, and I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 3. I got a 3 from here, but one is to be positive, one is to be negative. So if I do this, I'm going to end up with 6x, and then I have plus 8y is equal to negative 50. The second equation, we're going to end up with negative 6x. Then I have a positive 9y, and this is equal to negative 18. So all I did, I multiply everything by negative 3. Now we have a positive 6x and a negative 6x, and that's what I wanted. If I'm going to add these two together, these two equations together, the x is going to go away. So I have 9 plus 8 is going to give you 17y. And this is equal to negative 68. Next step is to divide each side by 17. So if I divide by 17, I'm going to end up with y is equal to negative 4. Now I need to go back and find the value of x. So I'm going to pick, it doesn't matter which equation you pick, I'll pick the second equation. So I have 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. I'm going to substitute. So I got 2x minus 3 times negative 4. I'm going to substitute negative 4 for y is equal to 6. 2x plus 12 is equal to 6. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. So 2x is equal to negative 6. I'm going to divide each side by 2. So x is equal to negative 3. So the solution will be negative 3, comma, negative 4. This is one way to do the problem. Let me show you another way. So I have 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 25. And I have 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to eliminate the variable y. So if I want to eliminate the variable y, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. I got the 3 from here. And the second equation by 4. I got the 4 from here. Notice that one is positive, one is negative. So I don't have to multiply by negative. So if I do this, I'm going to end up with 12x. I'm sorry, 9x right here. So this would be 9x. And then I have plus 12y. Is equal to negative 75. The bottom one, I'm going to end up 4 times 2 gives you 8x. 4 times negative 3 is going to give you negative 12y. And 4 times 6 is going to give you 24. Now we're going to add this together. So I have a 9x plus 8x is going to give you 17x. This here is going to cancel out. So I'm adding these two equations together. So negative 75 plus 24 is equal to negative 51. I'm going to divide by 17. So x is equal to negative 3. As you can see, that's what I have here. X is equal to negative 3. Then, you can just take one of the equation, plug in negative 3 for x, and find the value of y.